Force and Pressure by Princy Arora D.A.V. Ballabgar. Under the guidance of respected Preeti Avasthi ma'am, our science teacher. So, what is a force? Force is a pull as well as a push in which two objects interact with each other. So, we need to apply a force to make our object from rest into motion. So, let us some examples of force. So first is balanced forces. What are balanced forces is pair of forces that are equal in its shape and size but opposite to the direction. And unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces are unequal forces acting on a given object. Their resultant is non-zero. So there are types of forces. First is contact forces. Contact forces include muscular force. Muscular forces force exerted by the action of muscles of in the body of all living beings. We all living beings exert muscular force. So example is walking up the stairs. So then next is frictional force. What is a frictional force? Is a force between two surfaces in contact. It usually acts opposite to the direction of motion. So, the example of the frictional force is rubbing hand against each other, and so there is non-contact force. Non-contact force includes magnetic force. What is a magnetic force? Is magnetic force of interaction between a magnet and another object. So, its example include the repulsion of magnetic force. Then next is gravitational force. Gravitational force is a force in which the force of attraction between two objects due to their masses. Next is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is force exerted by a charged body on another charged body. Its example include lighting a bulb because electricity is applying force. The next term is effect of a force. Effect of a force include change in the state of motion. We realize that if the applied force acts on a body along its direction of motion, the speed of a body will increase or will decrease. Example is pushing a moving bicycle and pulling the moving bicycle, or hitting a cricket ball. So next term is change in size and shape of an object. We all know that to make a chapati, we first take some dough and then roll it between the palms to make it spherical. So we observe that when we applied force on a rolling pin and the rolling pin applied the force on chapati, the chapati changes its shape and size. So I hope you all like it and enjoyed this video. So this is the part 1 force, and I will bring part 2 pressure very soon. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.